Ocean or Western Union platform. Sikasa no Ocean or wise transfer. And so what you have $100 is okay. Uko bank will produce on cost Uko ye or friend send check Amobia. Sikasa no Ocean or bank or additional to the amount that you want to say. I think Ghana for we don't want to say the truth to our people. We just want to control our people with emotion. Why? What is wrong with us? The country of Ghana and the Kufuado is heading towards to the development that we are all thinking of. It doesn't take you 1 or 4 months or 5 years to change a country, definitely, but it needs fundamental projects.
Yes.
You have to lay down some basic issues that will guarantee you that from now up to 20 years, the country will change. Before the country will change, the year before the never so many because you have former Monte governance, I say, a year Akufuado, and I was so maybe a Juma because I buy no a baby Numa. Muangasa, we are by 4 million crashes from the Treasury Ammonia, and in Akufuado, and I'm so wide, he's helping the private people to open a job. So that by a private company now, that will maintain the economy. That will maintain the economy. This is how we make it possible for people to live in a country and develop the country. I didn't tell Ghana for more Mohosa. I didn't tell Mojaman this before. How can you let these bush people, these people with that knowledge, and I make us say, some question for Moajuna. They try to confuse you with this kind of emotional speech. Hey, Felix, from now ongoing, there must be emotional demonstrate Congress. You'll be over the emotional issues, and they capture the people of Ghana because they don't talk about real things. Platforms and I didn't tell doom so Ghana or say ship will be a kuchucha pipeline being a war one. Brother, are you serious? Right. You can't do know how what kind of economy that goes by gas. Now ship will be to I'll be for 4 good years. I'll be so not any problem about the whole people more they're being surprised with the gas. I didn't tell you but Jimena amount for assign idio more chicken was a more gas to like pipelines, wouldn't see KDH who the ship do could never for 4 good years. I play in your home. They say we'll be on platforms no more car. Could I say for no more kind in any argument who doesn't read and listen to good what they call economical studies, they just follow these sheets, as they say, a branded man leading a brand man, you go to the ditch for sure. So the time has come, and I'm really proud of your work because your work just to talk, but you come with fact. You come with fact. And then let me tell you, your friend then. Might be you say a fellow question Pratt. Where you are at this age that you are, in parliament, we don't have majority group. You don't know that even a half number can make a half number can make a group greater than the other. They were 138. Number 137, which there is no majority. I used to pick, we have groups in parliament. They can be formed with a different type of political parties. Why are they trying to confuse Ghanaians? And this is wrong. There must be a way to, I will say Ghana for Yenjin to say Yampa and this is one for Ghana for one, this is how wicked and how demons they are in them. We will never and never develop the country that we want to develop. Because they are the cause of the sufferance of Ghanaians. They are the people that always reverse Ghana development. They don't have nothing to offer Ghanaians. They don't have nothing but only emotional speech. Only emotional speech that they talk about. Look at what the finance minister That is what they do. As if you want to start a business, okay, come with us. We put you through some studies. We try to build you with the capacity of managing a company. Then we give you a capital to start your business. I didn't hear to. Now when you know what about I said you say, but so much Bola Kurano, we then Utugu, Pia, Cancer, Pia tax or Egao, Uko post office. Now, send let the Kurako Kurana buy Sanjiska, Eddie share a minor tax in Tuolum. Post office, Rako and Diadino, scan of Piana, a buy share, and you post office on one effort. Now, what you're going to you say, that I've been a year, the BPI day, and then about the tax, but the tax, my man, Papa, lack of knowledge. People, one time, Ponchama, Brofro. Abrofona e de mo e yin kwase adwuma na mo di develop mo man mo ba brocha Robert mo taxi bi o bia na mo tua ma abroforo o Ghana na ese mo ye the same thing I am fan develop wan ka se ukruma na actually no tenten bi se kwase na fan free man show no free man one my family na ba betra Facebook na wo tiam na kan kwase asem well these people no they are not educated even if they are educated they are educated fools they are not knowledge schools, what they call knowledge educated. Well, you know what they're called. Now, to young the way I be any of the say due to economic hardship. Liman are more men more thing. Obi better as men tell you. Or men more thing, no. O nim answer. Nim dia ye di bumai. Na say any pano. Apam was remini. Say, you're worthy to become a president of Ghana. Oh, yeah, now on no channel, Akote party, NDC. Or Tianu, yeah, I think on him say only policy. They said the NDC for today. I'm with the best senti. And see a Takashe, near one bully power na. Or two, then is no. Where who will be out? Where who are for? Where who go for? Where who can for? Where who bono for? Where who are before? Because I'm more the constant man. Or man, Musuan or say, ballot box na young coaching the air. Me the Abudu. Me the Abulai. Me the Fuseni. Me the Nusanum. And the Beko Disan Kwasi Abrano. Say, yeah, Pemacho boys. And me had some of you, some of you didn't come to me too. First, Ghana, near 2 about 2 boxing. More cut it, sorry, Pentecost, no village churches, no. At the end of Mobono, the one offering to the piano, and you open to whom. Now, NDC for Messiah, dear with Debbie America. Yeah.